Hello and welcome. Today I want to take you through on how you can reset your Mac. If you have an older Mac, if you have a newer Mac like M1, M2, you to reset it to factory settings, you can. Okay, I'm going to take you through three things. The first one is how to reset your Mac to factory settings if you have a new Mac. How to reset your Mac to factory settings if you have an old Mac. And thirdly, I'm going to take you through how you can remove your user data. For example, you are giving your Mac to someone else who is going to be using it almost similar to you. Let me say you are a software engineer, you want to give it to another software engineer, but you want to remove all your user data, all your sign-ins, all your things, all your user data. You can, where you now need to create a user for someone, or so I'm going to take you through. That's the third thing. The first thing I'm going to take you through is how to reset it. If you want to sell your Mac, you're giving it to someone really new, and you're selling your Mac to someone else, so they don't need your applications and what you want to set your Mac to full factory settings. So what you do is, if you have a new Mac like M1, M2, you will go to your system. Then you go to your system preferences. But this one is an old Mac. I'm just showing you. So you will see on your new Macs, you will look for like general. You will look for general. You will click on general. After clicking on general, you will see something saying a transfer or reset. So to transfer or reset, you will press on that button to allow you to transfer or reset. Now, since you want to reset, you will then continue resetting. That's for the new Macs, and that's how easy it is to do that. For the old Macs like this one, you have to first go system preferences, and you have to first sign out of your Apple. You have to first sign out of your iCloud. So this is also done on the on the new Macs before you reset, but also in the old ones you also have to first sign out of your iCloud. So signing out of our iCloud is easy. You just press on that, then you come and sign out. But we shall do this when we are changing users. So you can sign out. When you press the sign out, it will show you the next steps. Thirdly, now if you want to give your Mac to, no, I have not completed the. So if you want to reset your Mac after signing out for the old Macs, you have to restart your computer. So when you press the restart, when you restart your computer, when you hear that sound of rebooting, something like that Mac does when it's rebooting, immediately you hear that sound, you have to press the Command plus R keys. When you press the Command plus R keys, it will take you through the process of resetting. So when you hear that reboot sound, or that Mac does when it's rebooting or resetting, immediately you hear that, you have to press down the Command plus R keys for some long time, until it now takes you through a process of resetting your Mac. So that's for the old Macs. For the new ones, I've already taken you through. Now, if you want to create you want to hand over to another user, but who has similar roles, so you don't need to delete the applications you have, but you need to just change. For example, if you don't want to reset your Mac to factory settings and you want to just change users, what you have to do is you have to go to okay. You have to first I'd forgotten. You have to first sign out of iCloud. So I come to system preferences. So this is what most of you will be doing. I don't think most people would like their Mac to be set to factory settings if they are giving it to a person who is already working in the same system. So you go to iCloud and sign out. Sign out. Keep a copy. Do I need to keep a copy? No. Continue. The password. You enter your password. Then after that, after signing out of iCloud, we are now going to create a new admin account for the new user. So they don't use our user that we have. We want to create for them a new user. Now, what we are going to do is, let's wait for this iCloud to finish signing out. I don't know why it's taking so long. So after signing out of our iCloud, it will be like this. This is done now. What we have to do now is to create a new user for this new user that's going to use the laptop, that's going to use the Mac. So what we are going to do is go to system settings, settings again, go to users and groups, then after going to users and groups, click add user. Where is the add user? I'm looking for it. Okay, let me just see. So I had to click on this lock so that it gives me more options. So which I've done. So now I had to click on this clock and then put in my password of the computer, of the Mac. So I need to add a new user. Click add user. For example, this new user is going to be called Beatrice. Just put Beatrice Mac. So this user is going to be called Beatrice Mac. Now account name. Beatrice Mac again. So then password. Verify the password. Then we go to create user. So then after that, you should allow the user to be an administrator. So you must restart the computer for the changes to Beatrice Mac administrator settings to take effect. So now I've created a new user for Beatrice. Now all my user data is in the Moses Musoke account. So I am giving it to someone else, and I don't want to reset my Mac to factory settings. So I've created a new user and I've made them an admin. This admin user, I will now afterwards I will delete my Moses Musoke account, and then and then after that I will only leave the Beatrice Mac account, and that's the new user account that is going to be used by the next user. So this is done to remove all your user data and then give it to the next user who is going to start afresh. Though that will be so it will prevent them from starting from scratch, like resetting their computer and all those stuff. So that is it. So yeah, okay. So for this to take effect, for the admin take effect, it will the computer needs to first be reset. So now I'm going to reset the computer. I will log into the new admin account, and then I will go to the system settings, and then I will go to users and groups, and then I will select the old account, which is Moses It's okay. After logging into this one, after I set my computer, I will log into this new account, then go to system settings, go to users and groups. Then I select this Moses Musoke, which is the old account. Then I will delete the account. Then I will choose delete the home folder to erase personal files, but I will keep the apps onto the computer. I will not be resetting the computer afresh. So this other person will find the apps, all my apps there, but all my user data will be deleted, and they will be starting from afresh. Though the good thing is that they'll find all the applications there, and it will be easy for them to start off. So if if after then you have logged into the Beatrice Mark, the new user, and you see any of the user data remaining, not your user data, but you see some files and folders may be remaining, you will delete them manually. But all your user data will be deleted. If you by any chance find any folders or files remaining, you will remove them manually. But all user data will be deleted if you are going into a new user. So also all your user data will be deleted, though all the files and folders may not be deleted. So files like all WhatsApp clone maybe then may not be deleted, but all user data will be deleted. So if you find them there, you will do that manually. So thank you, and that's it. That is how you can change the user to give your Mac to a new user and removing all your user data. Thank you.